Begin by cutting the straps and opening the box. Remove all mixer parts from the box. Assemble the stand by pressing each leg into the socket until the snap buttons engage. Remove the plastic cover by removing the 2 Phillips head screws and retainer blocks. Assemble the front frame onto the legs. Slide the upper frame onto the front frame tubes. Bolt the upper frame to the front frame and the rear tubes with 6 M10 by 80 mm hex screws, washers, and nuts. Tighten with the supplied 17 mm wrenches. Attach the wheels to the axles. Tap the wheel plugs in with a mallet. Slide the motor and gearbox in from the back and fasten with 4 M6 nylon lug nuts. Tighten with the supplied 10 mm wrench. Apply grease to the threaded part of the drum shaft. With 2 people, lift the drum and thread clockwise onto the shaft. Engage the rotation lock lever to prevent the motor from turning. Make sure the drum is tightened securely. Snap the plastic cover into place and secure with the 2 retainer blocks and screws. Lock the tilt lock lever into the upper hole by positioning it fully to the right. With 2 people, tilt the unit down and remove from the stand.